In a stern warning to India, Bangladesh's newly appointed Prime Minister Yunus has declared that any attempt by India to destabilize Bangladesh will result in severe consequences for Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This bold statement underscores the growing tensions between the two neighboring countries and highlights the fragile nature of their diplomatic relations. Prime Minister Yunus, who recently assumed office, has taken a firm stance on protecting Bangladesh's sovereignty and stability. In his recent address, he emphasized that Bangladesh will not tolerate any actions aimed at undermining its political or social stability. Yunus's remarks come amid concerns about India's historical involvement in Bangladesh's internal affairs, a legacy from the time of the Liberation War and subsequent decades. The warning reflects a broader geopolitical climate where regional stability is increasingly seen as interconnected with national security. Bangladesh, having made significant strides in its economic development and international standing, is keen on maintaining its hard-earned progress and sovereignty. Yunus's administration is determined to safeguard these achievements against any external interference. Yunus's statement serves as a clear message to India. The era of tolerating interference or destabilizing actions is over. The new Bangladeshi administration is prepared to take a strong stand against any such efforts, emphasizing that the price of such actions would be high for those involved.